Here we are, the morning of the parade. And here's our car that we have graciously had donated to us. Okay, everybody wave. Good boy. And these are the Gentrys. Hello.
Hi.
And here's our sponsors. All right, the 2013 4th of July Tumwater Parade.
They're great, and we are so glad that they honored us today, and we're so glad that we got help from them. We wouldn't have been able to do the work that they did on our home, and we are so thankful and so grateful for it.
All right, thank you very much. Your best practice waves. Come on, with some heart. Turn around.
I can't walk and turn.
Beautiful. I don't know. He's not putting any on.
We are the last